Today, we are about to tear some shit apart. So, if you've been following, you already know what's about to go down. We got the shop open. Sunshiny day. So, we're gonna commence to play with the red car. We'll pull all this motor out, get it up out of there, commence to welding in some plates, filling some holes, get this baby colored and get it ready for some matching action. So, stay tuned. B-Series is coming out, and we finna get ready. It's now cleanup time 2025. Let's go. So, shop days, what you guys up to? My sunglasses?
I didn't see them.
Gotta love ads, huh? But let's get to work. Nothing ever goes my way. Anybody else out working on some projects? Anybody else still playing, getting ready for the 2025 show season? Let us know. Drop some comments below. Oh, I know what it is. Okay. If I thought I'd get him off my mind. One piece. Alright. Get that baby up off the ground so we can do something. Get back. Alright, I need a flathead screwdriver. Man, it's an awesome day out here. It is beautiful outside. Days like this make you wish you could just stay home and play with cards all day, huh? Alright, y'all. We have a couple pieces off and out the way. We got the strut bar here, as well as the bumper and both headlights. Got all this disassembled up here. We have commenced to unplugging things off of the engine. And we are going to remove these two fenders next, get them out the way, and then commence to pull this motor out. But sneak peek. Sheesh. How nice it's gonna be once all this stuff is smooth and filled in, instead of holy like she was before. So, stay tuned. Lots more to come. Project 9698 EK coming soon. Just like that. The whole front end is again officially disassembled. Almost ready for that baby to come out. So, now we got all this undone. We'll get this motor pulled out of here. Start on some plates. Get all this lined out and smoothed out. And then this baby will be fresh and fruity. Fill in a couple of small holes and respray. So, engine bay time with the Civic. Y'all stay tuned. More soon.